about the candy.
It is.
Kind of hard to stay out of the stash of candy at times, but I'm loving this recipe because I feel like it's something that if I had sitting around, I would go for this over the candy that you know is in the big bags we buy for the trick-or-treaters.
I would definitely not eat the Twix bars.
No, I would never eat the Butterfinger. Like, who would eat those?
Yeah.
It's not my favorite or anything. So, our little version of a healthy-ish, you know, detox kind of Halloween treat, right? And we're basically using this Ghirardelli 72% dark chocolate, which I love dark chocolate. I mean, I can even go higher than that.
So I actually keep one of these bars in the refrigerator. My brother Jeff actually started me on that.
Yeah.
And then so if I just want something real, you know, just sweet, after dinner I'll just pop off a square and then walk out of the kitchen.
And the higher percentage, the less sweet that it is.
Right.
So keep that in mind, but it's also better for you, the higher the percentage. So you can get like 60 or 72 or 84 or whatever. But anyway, so we're going to start with that. So first we need to melt our chocolate, right?
We do.
So about minute or so?
It's about 60 seconds and we're going to stir it.
Okay.
Turn off the stove.
That stove off. Okay, so we've got a lot of fun little add-ins here. I love getting dried fruits and nuts at Trader Joe's. I think the prices are good and I love their selection.
Big variety.
Big variety. I mean, they have a whole wall of all this. So got some dried apricots that we just diced up, some golden raisins, and then we've got some sunflower seed kernels, unsalted, some raw pistachio.
I love pistachio.
I do too. Love them.
Love it.
And these are raw and they don't have any salt. And then we've got some pecan pieces, and then we also have some dried cranberries. So we're going to be using this for the topping for our chocolate. So we're going to make little round chocolate bites, kind of add these in, give it some color, give it some fun flair, and some health. You know, it's a lot of healthy little treats.
Chocolate detox bites.
2. Take 2. All right, chocolate detox bites.
Yes. So we
Melted the chocolate.
melted the chocolate. So once again, make sure that you only do it for like 30 to 40 second intervals and then just keep mixing. So we decided that it was too thin, and so we placed it in the refrigerator for just a little bit, just to kind of get it a little bit thicker. So that way when you drop it, it won't
Go everywhere.
Right. So we're gonna try this. All right. So then you just take a tablespoon, and you can make these as big or as little as
You can make them any size you want.
So I'm gonna start off fairly small because they're gonna start to spread.
You're kind of just dropping it as a little pool in the middle and letting it spread out a little bit. I think that's a great size.
Thank you.
You did good.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
You can make mine bigger, but other than that, I think these are great.
You always ask for the bigger piece.
Because I just want to eat one. So I want a big one. That's how it works, right?
It does in our house. I need a little help here.
Yeah, how can I help you, friend?
I have chocolate dripping down the back of my hand.
How could I assist you, friend?
I just need a little help.
Would you like a paper towel?
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you. You're so nice.
I know. Clean you up.
Head.
Can't take you anywhere.
No. Okay, so we're gonna do one more.
And then we're gonna decorate them.
You know, and actually, I keep saying, you know, I kept saying that these are Mama's candies right here, but the kids could actually,
They'd have fun doing
they could decorate their own little pieces of chocolate with whatever fruits and nuts that they love.
I mean, little kids could totally help with this, and it's just a great way to introduce the healthy nuts and seeds and fruits and incorporate it with a little bit of a dessert. So I think we'll just put one little thing of each on each one. I think will look super cute. Little apricot, little pecan.
That looks fun.
They do look fun.
How pretty those are.
They are pretty and yummy. And so we're just gonna stick these in the fridge, is that right? For
stick them in the fridge.
probably 20 minutes or so. Maybe a little longer.
Maybe a little bit longer.
See how they do.
Okay.
All right, I got my 3.
I like making mine look pretty. All the different colors.
I know, they do look pretty. I mean, really, you could add anything. This is just the fruits and seeds and nuts we put on here, but I mean, you could really add, you know, really add whatever you want. So we're just gonna put these in the fridge to firm up, and then be back to show you our finished product. But this would just be a great, super healthy, sweet treat to have on hand and pull out Halloween.
Yep. Okay. Be right back.
Be right back.